Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I went to Theo Brahma. Oh my god, it's so heavily priced. Is it worth it? See, if you're having it once in a while, then you don't mind paying for that experience because I like the coffee, but I didn't like the disposable cup. So next time, if I'm going to have, it will always be कैसे बोलते ना? I'll take my own ceramic mug and I'll have it. And the sandwich was so not worth the price. The pastry was good enough, but it had to be softer since they warm it and it's on high temperature. And I enjoyed my cappuccino over there. But as I said, you should always drink coffees in a ceramic mug, not in that yucky disposable one. So there are chances that I might carry my own crockery, my own spoon, my own fork, my own uh, tumbler, my copper tumbler. I'll do that. Seriously. Overall, it cost me an arm and leg, and 50 rupees was the taxes. Like, seriously, guys, how do you rate my experience? Now, as I said, ये पूरे एरिया में एक ये थियोब्रोमा ही है, ये पूरे मोरोल एरिया में where you can say it is high end, where you can have a coffee. जबकि 7-Eleven can even offer as better quality as थियोब्रोमा. बट इन इंडिया में वो सब हर चीज़ को सब स्टैंडर्ड बना के खिलाना है ना लोगों को. लुक एट द सैंडविच. इफ़ इट वॉज अ फॉरेन कंट्री, ये मुझे वहाँ के 50 रुपीज़ में मिल जाता, ये वाला सैंडविच. चिकन दिखाई ही नहीं दे रहा था. बट येस आई रियली, इफ़ आई वर टू टेल यू मुझे क्या अच्छा लगा अबाउट द एम्बियंस. if I'm paying that much, I'll say if I've paid that 400 plus, it was for the ambience. The lighting was soothing. The wallpapers were like pastel, so pastel shades. The entire thing was very hygienic, neat, clean, simple, elegant. So sometimes when you're dining in such a place, it is for the experience. अभी ये क्या मुझे एक small time cafe में भी मिल सकता है ये सारी चीज़ें. But when you're going into a high end cafe, why are you paying? You're paying for the entire experience sitting down. Imagine having ये ऑर्डर करके तुम कॉफ़ी या पेस्ट्री ऑर्डर करके घर पे स्विगी और जोमेटो के थ्रू तुम खाते हो, तो उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं रहता है. that because they are charging you this high end, because they have to pay their employees, they have to pay for the premises, they have to pay for their brand name. So everything is included in that small little pastry of yours, so their costing is on the higher end. Okay. And they are offering you fresh batch. So the minute I entered, because they are open till 2 o'clock, तो उस कॉस्ट को इतना हाई एंड रखा है, एंड इट्स अ कॉर्पोरेट ब्रांड. सो 2 o'clock स्विगी जोमेटो इज़ देयर डिलीवरिंग टू पीपल. ही सिंग केक्स, इतना केक्स खाते हैं लोग. ही सिंग 1 बजे के बाद इतने बिजी रहते हैं हम लोग. सो द एम्प्लॉयज़ आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम 7 in the morning to 5 o'clock. एंड ही सिंग सारी चीज़ों को स्टॉक इन्वेंट्री उनको रखना पड़ता है, इन एंड आउट का पूरा हिसाब. एंड दे आर वर्किंग विद ग्लव्स एंड दे आर मॉनिटर्ड बाय द कैमरा. So that is the reason why they have to be as formal with the customers, as formal with the environment. Neat and clean रखना पड़ता है. So I am paying such a heavy amount for their neatness and cleanliness also. I hope you understand. So overall, how was the experience? It's because I enjoyed the entire stuff. Is because I sat down there and I had that thing, and there was nobody. I was the first person. एंड मेरे एक 45 मिनट्स के बाद एक फ़ीमेल आई जो रेगुलर थी, जो हमेशा कॉफ़ी पीती है. इमेजिन हैविंग 140 की कॉफ़ी एवरी सिंगल डे, एवरी अदर डे, and then buying a croissant. These high end things should be experiences. Just a once a week you're sitting there and having a great coffee, not carrying that in that yucky disposable thing. And just, I hope you understand, if you're a regular, you'll buy your own coffee. I think it's a waste. I think it's a waste to have this every single day. But if you're having it like once a week and it's like a wow, I'm just going to drop in just to have a coffee, and that too I got a discount, 15% discount on the total cost. पर चीज़ों पे मुझे टोटल 15% डिस्काउंट मिल गया, विच इज़ 63 रुपीज़, विच वुड कम टू अराउंड 500 रुपीज़. आई गॉट अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 63 रुपीज़ प्लस द टैक्सेस. अगर टैक्सेस नहीं होते तो इट वॉज 360 रुपीज़ फॉर 3 थिंग्स, सो विच रफली कम्स टू अराउंड 120 रुपीज़ पर आइटम. ये तो मुझे डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में मिल गया. अगर वो टैक्सेस नहीं होते तो इट वॉज 360 रुपीज़. मतलब दे हैव रफली कैलकुलेटेड 120 रुपीज़ पर आइटम. एवरीथिंग इज़ अबाउ 100 रुपीज़ एंड दे हैव टू कीप इट अबाउ 100 रुपीज़. This is a combination which I saw over there. So I had a savory, I had a coffee, I had a savory item which was a sandwich, and a sweet which was a pastry, Dutch truffle. अभी ये सब खाने के लिए do I need a boyfriend? No, no. I felt like having it and I went and had it. In fact, yesterday I was in a good frame of mind to go for a cafe, and it didn't happen. And today when I was casually, जब मैंने सोचा नहीं, I went to the pond park and I came back over here and I had it. It's an experience. Now I'm sitting in Nana Nani Park. I think I should do justice to my Louis Vuitton. So but the sandwich was very very disappointing. You know what that employee told me? Boy Harsh, आप तो रोज़ आते हो ना चर्च को, मैं देखता हूँ आप तो यहाँ से रोज़ आते हो. अब I said हाँ, इसे यहाँ 7 बजे हमारा खुलता है ना, तो हम देख. Imagine, even the shops which I didn't visit know me. Not that I'm bragging, because I was such a regular. I'm such a regular. So the people who have seen me every day see me every single day. Said yeah, you're right. Said, yeah. Check me out. My new haircut. I'm so relaxed and happy because it's raining and it's wow. Stand somewhere. कहीं तो खड़े रहना पड़ेगा. Now let's go. A beautiful haircut. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who's the fairest of all.